In this section, we will learn about the different types of structured data. And structured data are commonly classified into two major types. We have the quantitative data, which is also called numerical data, and qualitative data, which is also called categorical data. So let's start with quantitative data. Quantitative data is also called numerical data because it can be counted or measured and represented using numbers, from the word quantity, that is what you can count. This type of data is commonly used in calculations, formula, and numerical analysis. Common examples of quantitative data include age, salary, monthly income, years of education, and number of others. For example, a person can weigh 186.5 pounds. A salary could be $57,000 per year. Someone can eat 1/3 of a cake. A company can record 9,000 orders. As long as the values are numerical, measurable, and can be counted, then they can be classified as quantitative data. Now let's look at qualitative data, which is also called categorical data. And remember, the word qualitative comes from the word quality. Qualitative data cannot be measured or counted, so it is not numerical. This type of data is used to classify or group observations into categories. For example, hair color is qualitative data because you cannot count the strands of hair on your head, but you can qualify your hair as either black, brown, red, or white depending on the color of the hair. So these are categories and not measurements. Another example is shirt size. The shirt size could be small, medium, large, or extra large, and in this case they are just categories, they are not exact measurements. So even though they can be ordered, they do not represent the precise numerical values. And the same idea applies to seniority level in the workplace or in an organization. So you can have entry level, mid-level, or senior level. These are just labels that describe the categories. They are not counts or measurements. Because of this, seniority is also considered qualitative data. In summary, quantitative data, from the word quantity, deals with numbers that can be counted or measured, while qualitative data, from the word quality, deals with categories that are used to describe or classify data. But remember that both types of data are important, and understanding the difference between them is essential for effective data analysis.